Good morning and welcome to Melspiration YouTube channel. My name is Melissa and this is Blissful Designs. I wanted to show you a Dollar Tree haul that I just got in. It's very popular in YouTube to kind of show the different items that you've purchased and maybe talk about some of the things that you're going to do with it. So I did some Dollar Tree shopping online. First time really that I've bought anything from Dollar Tree online, and you have to buy it from the case or buy the case. So I have several items. It was about $250, and one item actually did not come, so I'm a little disappointed in that, but I'll be going to the store to get that. So let's turn the camera here. So these are the packages, and it was shipped directly to the store. So free shipping to the store. So first thing that I got and want to show you are these beautiful signs for fall. So this is all kind of fall decorations. So these signs, I am planning to make a few things with kind of as is, because I love the design on it. But I think that these can be used as blanks, and so I kind of look at everything as a blank. Like, how can I embellish that? How can I add to that? How can I change that? And as my family knows and my mom has taught us, if we see anything that we like, we say, oh, I can make that. So hopefully I can inspire you to do the same. So let's get these out here. And my husband said, did you actually buy $250 worth of things from Dollar Tree? And I said, yes, I did. And he said, well, where is it? That's like 250 things. And I said, it's coming in the mail. So it came while I was gone to the store. I got an email, and I asked him, do you mind to go pick that up for me since I'm gone? And he did, so it was home waiting for me when I got home. So these are the signs here. Let me see how many these are. 36 actually. So there's 3 different styles. The first one, thankful, grateful, and truly blessed. Love it. Let's see. The next one, friends gather here. And the last one, pumpkin spice and everything nice. And these are glittery, and they are just cute and beautiful, and you can embellish those, and or you can turn them over and paint the back and put something Christmas on there or winter on there, or any holiday or season. If you you'll get to see that I love holidays, and I decorate every opportunity that I get. So I'm going to set these aside. And this is exciting because if you know, this season with all the pumpkins that are coming out, because these are little, I'll show you, little velvet pumpkins that they have. Blue is a very popular color for pumpkins, so I'm excited about the blue one. So I think I saw online where it's a mix in here, but there's only, I know in the store you only get a very few of certain colors. This reminds me, my son watches unboxing for different electronics on YouTube. Oh my goodness, these are way bigger than I thought. Look how cute these are. Oh my goodness, those are so adorable, so cute. Yeah, so it looks like maybe there's, oh, look at this color. Oh, I love that. It's a green kind of color. And there's a cream, or a brown in here, and a cream color too. Oh my goodness, these are so, you could just do them by themselves, or you can add them to maybe a wreath. And, you know, I might even try kind of cutting it in half and just using half of it on something. So How cute. I'll let you see in the box. How fun. And yeah, so there's probably about, let me see. Yeah, there's about 4 blue ones and 4 green ones, and the rest are orange cream. And let me see. Yeah, it looks like there's about 4 cream ones too. So, very exciting. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, this is fun. So every time Dollar Tree has these, I don't care what color it is, I grab some because these are so whimsical and fun. And this box weighs like nothing, and I'll show you kind of what it is. It's those little ribbon mesh, I would call them, tubing like. Let's see if they have a name for them. Harvest Mesh Tube. So let's dig in here and get these colors out. And again, this is all fall stuff. So I ordered this stuff probably maybe a week ago. And okay, so you see the box here all packed up. So there's kind of an orangey type color. Oh, and a red, so perfect for Christmas. You can use it for other seasons. Brown, so this is going to be great for fall. And a green, so for Christmas too. So beautiful, you know, red and green, and then brown and orange. So these are going to be fantastic. Yay. And so much. Okay, let's see what's next. So I love to do projects with Deco Mesh, and I only buy it when I can find it on sale. On sale means about $3 a tube. I have quite a bit of colors and stash, but my point here for buying all of these things, there's $30 in this case pack, is because, you know, one of the suggestions that I found on YouTube was make repeatable products if you're planning to sell them, like on YouTube, and I am planning to start my own Etsy shop and start selling these items. So we have orange, and let's see, these are 6 inches and 5 yards. And there's orange, green with some gold. This has some gold in it. Yellow. Oh, I love that yellow. And this looks like, oh, a brown color. I'm just in love with the browns for the fall season. Even brown and red for Christmas time is going to be beautiful because, you know, you've got the black and red buffalo check. I think you could do the same kind of color coordination with brown and red. Okay, let's see what's next. So next we have, this is $1 a piece. These are Harvest Truck wall designs, or wall signs. There are, how many in the box? Let's see, 36. 36, how exciting. And oh my goodness, again, same thing with these about you're going to be able to paint them, put decorations on the back, use them as is, all different seasons. It was really about the shape that I wanted. And so, you know, I got some, I ordered the mason jar signs, and that's what didn't come in. So I'm definitely going to go to the store and pick those up because, again, it's just the shape and the structure. $1. It's a blank that you can use for decorate for all seasons. So, okay, so it's 2 different styles here. So this is the first one, blue with little pumpkins. So that's really cute. It has a little metal leaf on it and a little raffia here. So cute. And again, there's half of that color, the blue. Like I said, blue's really kind of in. And then the rest are red. So here are the red ones. So really cute too. Again, glitter, and then this is metal and the raffia and that. Can't wait to just first thing I'll do is I'll embellish that and see, you know, how that looks, and then I'll probably flip it over and paint it and make it something else. So looks like there's twice as many red as than there is blue. So, but can't wait to kind of get started on those. Okay, two more things. So these are kind of neat. I haven't seen anybody use these yet online, but these are my little scissors that I use for my threads. So what you don't know, a video I haven't shown or talked about before, is I sew. I try to do a sewing class once a month with just some friends, and it's an opportunity to get together and make some things. I make jewelry, so you know, just whatever. I do some painting, wreath making, flower arrangements. I just love to kind of try it all, so we'll be doing it all together here. All right, so Nino Cheeto, these are, where can I see? Let me show you the picture, if you can see those. They're metal corn stalks, or it says metal corn steaks, and I think there's 36 of these, 24 of these, and there's two colors. So look at these. Let me see if I can, I'll pull out the other colors here. Yeah, there's some yellow ones here. Maybe here. There's the yellow ones. Oh, how cute. And the orange ones. Oh, how cute. I can't wait. It's going to be interesting what we find to do with these. So, great. Okay, move that aside, and last one. Oh, I was really excited about these. So, these are Harvest Pumpkin. It says galvanized wall sign. So there's two different styles. You've seen these in the store. I didn't want to get just kind of the typical pumpkin, if you will, because I really can make those out of styrofoam. The big styrofoam board. Last year I made several of those just like they had. I bought one at the Dollar Tree. I made a template of it, and then I decorated it. I made 3 different sizes actually and put them all together. So, okay, so cute, so fun. Look at that, those. You've seen those. You've seen people doing, you know, lots of things with them. So you can, this one has the sunflowers on it, cute wording on it. This is the metal piece that's on there. But you can flip it over and just do so much, I feel like. So these are going to be so fun. Again, there's 2 designs. This is the other one, Happy Thanksgiving. How cute. This is all glittery, and this is the metal piece here. Yeah, here we go. 2 different styles. How cute. Okay, we're finished with our unboxing, and this is what we have. I got it all laid out for us. So here's our pumpkins. In here, there's a few up front here too. Our deco mesh that we're going to be working with. Our box of ribbons that we're going to be working with. The cute trucks that came in. The pumpkin signs. The metal corn steaks. And the signs that we're going to be using. So lots of crafting to do. I will do some videos of each of the things that I make for fall, and hopefully you'll join me. So welcome to Blissful Creations, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.